नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, स्वागत आहे आपल्या यूट्यूब चॅनल ज्याचं नाव आहे मोहित मोटिवेटेड एक्झाम चॅनल। आज आपण बघणार आहोत शिक्षक पात्रता परीक्षा म्हणजे महाराष्ट्र टेट एक्झाम 2013 रोजी झालेल्या पेपर 1 मधील इंग्रजी विभागातील प्रश्न। चला तर मग सुरुवात करूया व्हिडिओला। प्रश्न आहे, सिलेक्ट द करेक्ट नायदर नॉर आन्सर ऑफ द गिवन सेंटेन्स। सेंटेन्स आहे, Vijayant did not pay attention to parents. He did not learn from teachers. Options are given. Vijayant neither paid attention to parents nor learned from teachers. Vijayant paid neither attention to parents nor learned from teachers. Vijayant neither paid attention to parents nor learned from teachers. Vijaykant neither paid attention to parents not learn from teachers. The correct option is option number 1. Vijayan neither paid attention to parents nor learn from teachers. त्यानंतर प्रश्न क्रमांक 9. Choose the correct so that sentence of the given sentence. 7 sentences are given. It was too difficult for Keshav to pay heed to the teacher. Options are given. It was so difficult that Keshav could not pay heed to the teacher. It was so difficult for Keshav that he could not pay heed to the teacher. It was so difficult for Keshav that he can't pay heed to the teacher. It was so difficult that Keshav could pay heed to the teacher. The correct option is option number 3. It was too difficult for Keshav that he can't pay heed to the teacher. Then question number 10. Select the correct question tag for the given sentence. Sentence, show me the way to the park. Options are given. Don't you, will you, will I, will you. The correct option is option number 1. Don't you. Question number 11. Choose the correct passive voice of the sentence. Where are you attending the meeting? Options are given. Where are the meeting being attended by you? Where is the meeting being attended by you? Where you are being attending the meeting? Where the meeting is being attended by you. The correct option is option number 1. Where are the meeting being attended by you. Then question number 12. Choose the correct preposition. Sentence, quinine is an effective antidote in the blanks malaria. Options 2, against, for, in. The correct option is option number 2, against. तर ही होती महाटेटच्या संदर्भात 2013 रोजी झालेल्या पेपर 1 मधील इंग्रजी विभागातील प्रश्न। या पुढील प्रश्न आपण पुढील भागात बघणार आहोत। व्हिडिओ आवडल्यास व्हिडिओला लाईक करा, कमेंट्स करा, जास्तीत जास्त व्हिडिओ शेअर करा आणि चॅनलवर जर नवीन असाल तर चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करायला विसरू नका।